Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are here to do a love reading for Geminis. Let's see what's happening for Geminis in their love life for the remaining days of July 2020. I have already done one more reading for Geminis for July 2020. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the first comment, so you can check that out. And yes, this is a general reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there. Okay, if you want personal readings, you can contact me. I will give my WhatsApp number in the description box, so you can WhatsApp me and I'll tell you how to go further with it. Okay, so yes, let's see what's happening for Geminis in their love life. Let's focus more on their person. What's happening for Geminis in their love life? What's happening for Geminis? What's happening for Geminis in their love life? Three of Pentacles. You might be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Two of Swords. Another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Queen of Cups, a water sign. Six of Wands, your energy. Okay, you might be dealing with a fire sign also. Two of Pentacles, an earth sign. Justice, Libra, another air sign. Okay, so if you if we look at your feelings, what I'm seeing here is you're dealing with someone who has a lot of feelings for you. This is I'm very sure about it. You are dealing with someone who has a lot of feelings for you, and these feelings are very, very, very genuine. Okay, you're not dealing with someone who is just fooling around and wasting your time. You are dealing with someone who has a lot of feelings for you, Geminis. But the thing is, they are not showing it to you right now. They are keeping their feelings all tucked in. They are not showing their feelings. And this is taking a toll on them too, because they are not being open to what they feel about you. With this Queen of Cups. Okay. With this Two of Swords, I'm really sorry. With this Two of Swords, what I'm seeing here is this person, they love you a lot, but they love you a lot with this Queen of Cups, but with this Two of Swords, they're always in and out of your life, and this is kind of stressing you out, and you want a stable relationship, you want a stable commitment, you want a solid commitment out of this person, which this person is not ready to give. With this Two of Swords, they are quite in and out of your life, on and off, on and off. Okay, I'm also seeing with this Three of Pentacles, this person had someone in their life. Maybe they were committed to someone else, so that is the issue between you two. They were dealing with someone else. It was a solid commitment, but now they want you, and they're not taking their decision. I think you want them to take decision. You want them to break off with someone and come back to you, but you want justice to be served, which is going to be served. Okay. With this Two of Pentacles on your side, I'm seeing you two might be dealing with someone else, and you both are dealing out of this relationship. You are dealing with someone else. Okay, or this person has a perception of you that you are dealing with someone else, and you are having a perception that this person might be dealing with someone else. So there is a lot of trust issues. There is an imbalance which needs to be balanced out. I'm definitely sure about this. Okay, or you two might be married. They are married to someone else, you are married to someone else, and you both have to get divorced to come to each other. Okay, but both are not being able to decide on whom to give this love or what to do. You're juggling, they are in and out of your life, things are unstable, but feelings are real with this Queen of Pentacles. Feelings are quite real, feelings are quite out there. Okay, I'm also seeing there is they feel as if they have to compete with someone to get to you or get you. It is their feeling. They feel as if they have to compete with someone. There is a constant competition. There is a constant need to get this recognition in your eyes. Okay. With this 3 of Pentacles and 6 of Wands, what I am seeing here is you want this person to realize what you are to this person, and this person wants to take some action for you. They want to come back, either they want to call you, either they want to give that decision. But in the end, what I'm seeing here is you are going to get the justice served. Angels, universe, everyone is guiding them to you. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing here. With this 2 of Swords and 2 of Pentacles, definitely there is uncertainty. This person might be dealing with someone else too, and this is stressing you out, or you might be dealing with someone else out of the relationship, and things are unbalanced. Things are not quite as you thought it should be. Okay, so this is the situation. Okay, a solid decision has to be made, a solid decision has to be taken. With this Queen of Cups and this Justice card, what I am seeing here is there is a power struggle. Either you have to compete with someone to get their attention, or they have to compete with someone to get your attention, and this is a constant battle which is stressing each or both of you. Okay, let's see the mutual feelings. Let's see the mutual feelings. You want this person to stand up for you. You want them to decide whom they want, and the same they want out of you. So there is a constant power struggle going on between you two. Okay, let's see. Geminis, what's happening for Geminis? Please give me 3 cards. Daughter of Pentacles. I'm definitely seeing with this Daughter of Pentacles, you think this person doesn't offer you much. They don't have much to offer you. They give you the small offers and you are not satisfied with this. Because this is a Daughter of Pentacles, you might be dealing with an earth sign, okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but a young, either it is the age difference, either they are younger to you, or maybe they act as if they're immature, or maybe they are not giving you something solid. They are offering something very minute which you are not expecting out of this person. You want some solid commitment out of this person, and they are giving you tits and bits, and you don't want that. You want a solid commitment, but this person still hasn't decided on what they want, whom they want to choose, or what they want to do, whom they want to get forward with. So there is a lot of stalking and spying also going on. Okay, so their offers are not quite satisfactory for you. You want something solid, and they're giving you very small offers. The Star card. Okay, so you might be dealing with an Aquarius. What I'm seeing here is, whatever the situation you both are going through, you both are quite hopeful about the relationship, that one day we both will solve this, we both will get out of this, and we will come together. We will be one. This is a card of hope. This is a card of hope. This shows you both are quite hopeful about this relationship. You guys are both, you both are quite hopeful about things getting better in the future. Okay, so definitely a lot of hope is what I can see here with the Star card, and wishes are coming true. You both are going to get out of this situation very soon. The uncertainty, the indecision, all this is going to be the matter of past. Okay, 7 of Pentacles. So I think with the 7 of Pentacles, there is a constant growth and there is a constant moving forward. Okay, or there is a need of, you both want to go forward with each other. Your person, they are not showing their feelings. Their feelings are quite obvious, but you want things to come out clear. You want them to be more open to you. You just want to get the justice served. Okay, let's see what advice do we have for Geminis. What advice do we have for Geminis? In the remaining of July, I am seeing you both getting to a better place. sorting out all the issues. Your person or you're going to take this decision and come out of this uncertainty and indecision. Okay, what we have for Geminis? Abundance. I told you, definitely there is a lot you both are going to get. There is a lot of love, there is a lot of abundance in this relationship, and you're going to see it with the Seven of Pentacles. You both are working for it. You are not happy being away from each other. You're not happy with the current situation, but with the end of July, you're going to get everything in abundance. Okay, balance. There is a need for balance. I told you with this Libra card also, I told you there is a need for balancing out things. I don't know who is in and out of this relationship, who is uncertain, who is juggling people, maybe both of you. So you both need to decide something. You have to decide whom you want to go get things forward with. Okay, so this was it for Geminis. I hope this reading helped you in some way. If it helped you, please like this video and share with your friends. And yes, if you like such quick videos, please do consider subscribing my channel. This is Pooja from India. See you in next video.